Do you want to sound more confident when you speak English? Let's learn more daily English idioms. Welcome back to Slow Listen English. Today, we will learn common idioms used in daily life. These expressions help you understand native speakers and speak more naturally. Let's begin. Get the hang of it means understand how to do something. Example, after a few tries, I got the hang of driving. On the same page means agree or understand each other. Example, let's talk and make sure we're on the same page. In a hurry means in a rush. Example, sorry, I can't talk now, I'm in a hurry. Keep an eye on means watch carefully. Example, please keep an eye on my bag. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. Example, he called me out of the blue. Feel under pressure means feel stressed. Example, I feel under pressure at work this week. Take it easy means relax. Example, it's the weekend, take it easy. Run out of means have no more of something. Example, we ran out of milk. How can you remember these idioms? Listen carefully, repeat slowly, use them in real life. Now, small practice. Repeat after me. Get the hang of it. On the same page. Keep an eye on. Out of the blue. Take it easy. Excellent! You are improving every day. Remember, English is not just grammar. It's how people really speak. Listen. Repeat. Practice daily. Thank you for listening to Slow Listen English. See you in the next lesson.